One of the best ways to use curious Karen is to build a quiz. Quizzes are the most interactive and most engaging way to really get your customers, get your subscribers really into interacting with your business. So it could be about a product of your business, of your company, or it could just be a fun quiz, like a trivia quiz. So in the example I set up, it's just a history quiz, like as you can see from the welcome message, welcome, we are very excited to see how well you know your history. Just press the button below to get started. And then I have some random trivia quizzes, like which queen has the shortest reign on Henry's 6 wives? So I give a few answers, and depending on the answers, they will get a different result or different small talk integrated, whether or not the answer has been correctly given or not. And then the next one, you will see that it's another history quiz. So it's a great way to provide value. It's a great way for your business to provide an extra level of entertainment, which will allow your customers or your subscribers or your followers, whatever it is you have, to really engage with your business. And it is a fun factor, right? So quizzes are fun. They can retry it again. They can share it with their friends if they want to. It's a great way of also getting organic traffic towards your own business, even if it's a quiz for fun, because at the last part you can also ask for their email or ask for any other credentials where you can then follow up with them whenever you have a new quiz or whenever you want to follow up regarding your own product or your own service. So using quizzes inside of your marketing campaigns is a really great way to get more people to interact with your business, and you can grow your list pretty fast.